It was a silent night. On the shores of a small American town, a new environmental study was underway near a lake called Velos Lake. Dr. Saba, a Pakistani-born ecologist, was there collecting soil and water samples. But there was a strange heaviness in the air around the lake, as if the air itself had stopped breathing. Saba noted that the roots of the trees growing near the lake were burned from the inside, but looked perfectly fine from the outside. The locals used to say, "There is an old spirit trapped under the lake, awakened by the poison of the earth." Saba laughed and ignored this story, but when she sat alone in the lab at night, whispering sounds began to come from the water sample. At first, she thought it was an illusion, but then she saw her reflection in the water. But the reflection was not smiling, but moving its lips as if it wanted to say something. After that, the animals around the lake suddenly began to die. The tree trunks began to exude a black liquid, and Saba began to have dreams in which she saw faces buried underground, screaming. Her mental state began to deteriorate. She felt the lake speak to her, saying, "You have upset the balance. Now you two will become part of the soil." One night, Saba disappeared. The next morning, a new plant grew on the shore of the lake, with branches like human fingers, and its roots bore its identifying mark. People now say that the Velvet Lake swallows up every human who refuses to understand nature as pain.